Okay guys, so welcome to the Team Woodworker. So just before I started, I wanted to make a few announcements to you. Some of you may already have noticed that yesterday I became a YouTube partner, so I'm happy about that. I applied a little while ago, and yesterday I was accepted, and I really just wanted to thank you guys, because without you it wouldn't have been possible, all of your subscriptions and everything. So thanks to you guys who have subscribed, and obviously anyone who hasn't, it'd be great if you could. I also wanted to just say that I hope to get up a website soon as well. I'll even create a Facebook and Twitter pages for you guys if you're interested. And also I want to talk about my RC boat that some of you guys may have watched. And I did the first two parts of that, but I never got round to the conclusion. And I just wanted to say to you guys, that's not completely... It's not as if it's never going to happen, but I'm not sure when I'm going to get around to finishing that. So obviously stay tuned and keep watching. I do plan to get it done at some point, but I don't know when that'll be. You know how it is sometimes, projects just sort of get left on the shelf or on the waiting list, as it were. There's always something else that wants to get in the way. I was going to do a video today about making clamps. I mentioned that in my workshop video. And I have started filming that video, but I couldn't finish that for this Friday, so hopefully I'll get that up for you guys next Friday. The project which I'm doing today is this box. It's a little trinket box. It's sort of really a quick project more than anything. It's kind of nice. You could give this to someone, and it's great because it doesn't require a chuck for the people who don't have it. Usually lathes just come with a faceplate like this, so I thought I would show you how you can make a box, and you can use the principle which I show in this video to make bigger boxes, well, a little bit bigger anyway. Hope you enjoy this video, guys. Oh, before I finish, I just wanted to say that the finishing oil which I'll be using in this video and the video which I did last week is this chestnut finishing oil, and I've been using that a lot recently, and it's sort of a bit easier than using a lacquer finish, which you may know that I used quite a lot before that. So it's a bit easier, and that's what I'm using at the moment, so hope that helps. So obviously enjoy the video, guys. Subscribe, rate and comment, it all helps. So thanks again, and enjoy the video.